Hello, viewers. Are you tired of hefty cable or subscription bills? Today, we're revealing secrets on getting IPTV channels absolutely free. The process is easier than you might imagine. So what's IPTV? Internet Protocol Television lets you watch your favorite shows through the internet. No cables required, but some options cost money. Or do they? First, let's find reliable free IPTV playlists. Online forums, social media groups, and specific websites offer updated lists. Ensure they're safe and legitimate by checking user reviews. Next, install a media player like VLC on your device. This software lets you enter the free playlist URLs and begin streaming channels directly. It's very user-friendly. Always be aware of legal concerns. Some free IPTV sources might not have proper broadcasting rights. Use trusted sources that operate within the law to avoid any issues. And there you have it. With these steps, enjoy watching TV without paying a cent. Let us know in the comments how it worked for you. Until next time, happy viewing.